In this video, I want to talk about how you can find the best earbuds on Temu. Now this is quite simple and we want to do some filtering. So first we want to come up here and search for earbuds. Press enter, and once we've searched for earbuds, what we want to do is click here on sort by, and we want to select top sales. Then what we want to do is press on filters, scroll down, and if there's any specific one you want, like wireless and stuff, just select this. But the main one is we want to come here until we get to the reviews. So we want to select the 4-star reviews and up, otherwise it's probably not the best product. So select this one, and like I said, you can choose any of these if you want. So if you want to have rechargeable battery and stuff like this. Now once we've done this, we will now get to see the ones that have been bought the most with the highest reviews. So these up here will probably be some of the best earbuds that you can buy for the price. So you can see this one has been sold over 300,000 times with almost 5 stars, and it is a star seller. So you can see most people, there's over 300,000 who bought this, and most of them was happy with the product, so they left a good review. So this is a really good way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.